In the 1970s, many cinemas were looking for cheap but popular films. One type of film that became very popular were martial arts films from Hong Kong, which were dubbed. This means English-speaking actors were recorded and their voices replaced the original dialogue. The companies in America would buy the distribution rights to these films from Hong Kong, which means they could show the films in their cinemas. They would then pay to dub the films, which was not always accurate or high quality. The two biggest film companies in Hong Kong at the time were Shaw Brothers and Golden Harvest. Of the two, the Shaw Brothers were the bigger studio. They started making films in 1958. They made over 1,000 films in their time. And during the 1960s, they set up Movietown, which was the largest privately owned studio in the world. Golden Harvest were a newer studio, but they enjoyed huge success, starting with films like The Big Boss and Enter the Dragon, both starring Bruce Lee. Lee had been offered a contract with Shaw Brothers, but Golden Harvest saw his potential and offered him a much better deal. Enter the Dragon was a great example of Hollywood and Hong Kong working together, and it was very popular. Lee's career was tragically short, and he died before the film premiered. But he is one of the biggest reasons why martial arts movies were not only a niche genre, but a mainstream form of entertainment. Even after he died, martial arts films still used his name to try and make money, using old clips of Lee, or just people that looked like him.